Good morning. Welcome to Social Studies class. Today is the first day of your third session class. Today we'll start a new chapter, that is the four domains of the earth. Turn to page 40. Now in this page you will see a picture. What can you see? You can see water, you can see trees, you can see clouds, land, but you cannot see air, sunlight, isn't it? So water, air, land and all living things make up the four domains of the earth. Underline this sentence. Water, air, land and all living things make up the four domains of the earth. A domain is a region that has its own special features. Underline this sentence also. A domain is a region that has its own special features. There are four domains of the earth. What are they? Hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. Underline the words hydrosphere, atmosphere, lithosphere and biosphere. In all these words you can see the word sphere is at the end of the word. In these four words, sphere used at the end of the word, which means a region that surrounds a planet. Now read what these four domains are. One by one we are going to read them. First of all, hydrosphere. Hydro means water. All the water on earth makes up the hydrosphere. As you learned earlier, most of the earth's surface is water. 3 parts of the earth is water and 1 part is land. And water is found in 3 forms. What are they? The liquid water, ice and snow, which is the solid form of water, and the gaseous form of water is water vapor. When water is heated, it forms water vapor. It turns into water vapor. This process is called evaporation. Again, when water vapor is cooled, it turns back into water. This process is called condensation. Now, evaporation and condensation, these two processes of water happen on earth. How it happens? The sun heats up the water in the seas. Sun ray falls directly on the sea. It evaporates, that is, water forms into water vapor and forms clouds. The clouds move up. Being lighter, the cloud rises up, where it is very cold. The higher you go, the colder it is. So once it goes up, it is very cold. Here, the water vapor in the clouds cools. It changes back into water. What you have learned? That water vapor, when it is cooled, it turns back into water. So it falls down as rain. In very cold places, it falls as snow. This is called precipitation. Underline precipitation. Now some rainwater falls on the sea, some on lakes, ponds, some seeps into the ground, and some fills the rivers from where it flows into the sea. Now here you see there are different water bodies. What are they? Seas, lakes, ponds, rivers. You have come to know the names of different water bodies. The sun again heats the water. This continuous change of water on earth is called the water cycle. This process goes on and on. Water from the sea, it gets heated with the help of sunlight. It rises up in the form of water vapor. Up it goes. It is cold there. It forms clouds. Again it drops down as rain. This process goes on. Now water is essential for life to exist on earth because all living things need water. We cannot do without water. So this is the hydrosphere. Next we'll do atmosphere. As you know, the earth is surrounded by a layer of air called the atmosphere. Underline the word atmosphere. the whole sentence. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air called atmosphere. Atmos means vapor or gas. The atmosphere is made up of many gases. Of these, nitrogen is most. Nitrogen is found in abundance, followed by oxygen. Then is oxygen. There are other gases also in the atmosphere, that is water vapor and carbon dioxide. That forms a very small part of the atmosphere. Now you go to the next page. The atmosphere blocks out the harmful rays of the sun and only lets in rays that are necessary for living things. When we breathe in, we take in oxygen from the air. People and animals need oxygen to survive. So these are the 2 points which are very helpful. How is atmosphere helpful? Because it blocks the harmful rays of the sun and only lets in the necessary rays to come, which is necessary for the living things. Now in this diagram you see oxygen, nitrogen and other gases. Where nitrogen you have the major part, then the green portion oxygen, and the very light color is the other gases, that is water vapor and carbon dioxide. So today we will do till here and we'll continue the next day. Thank you.